morning, everyone. Welcome back to Fairmount Homes. Just an update of where we're at right here. We're working on the front entrance, the lobby area. We have everything painted for the most part down there. Some more ongoing work at the front desk that needs to happen, and that will all be buttoned up down there. Also, second floor in nurses charting area, we're continuing to work on that. It is painted, drop ceilings are going in, waiting on some cabinetry and also HVAC equipment to go into that area. We also, right now, we're standing in the care base area. We got that just framed up and are starting to do some of the rough-ins in there. So some of the next times you come, hopefully the charting area will be all finished up and you'll see lots more happening. Thanks a lot.